on the beat.
Bago sa eksena, pero hayop pagtahin ng mga letra. Nababalot sa laging dala na pyesa. Akin nang kakalasin mga kadena. Pumipigil sa aking dala na puwersa. Nasak mali mga saking matulang kwenta. Tatagtagin at sasaksakin. Sino man ang bading nabababay sa kultura. Don't look surprised, asking your friend who the fuck is this guy. I am the I, I'll be your guide. I descend from the skies, yeah. I ain't no Christ, but I give visions to blind. Bringing them sight at my intricate rhymes. Lies in their minds with my words like ignado. Wakong suda if they come to the fire. Now pass me the lighter, cause I'm about to smoke all the rappers who write shit about bitches and drugs. I'll fuck up their system like bitches and drugs. Naku nyo timid, naku wag na wag. Baka lang maipit ang iyong bayag. Hahandusin sa gilid, putulan ng litit. Pag iyong pinilit pa na pumalag. Who am I? I am Ivan from a caddy. Yeah, your shorty calls me daddy. Yeah, these pussies call me Nammy. Yeah, this bitch is looking at me. Yeah, they're thinking that they sassy, but this bitches are just nasty. Ay, fuck all the rappers who brag about the way that they dress. They're rapping but money the hoes their clothes just to impress. Super discarded talinos, my way to be one of the best. Yeah, I'ma ascend, I'ma fly like a jet till I lose my breath in the atmosphere's edge. Like Walter White, I'm cooking dope shit. Kantang pang mosh pit. The ingredient is my raw spit. Yeah, I toxic through these toxics. Twist their heads like faucet. Kick their eggs, cut their wrists and necks. If they disrespect, just don't, bitch. Tangina nyo, akala nyo ba ganito lang ako? Mali ang akala, hindi nagtiwala. Liit daw ng chance ako na lumago. Tutok mo sa'kin mga mata mo. Tumingala sa aking pagtayo. Parang akasya dati punong mababa. Ngunit liwayabong na ang sanga ko. Sino ako? Isa sa mabagong sibol dito sa laro. Ako yung batang hindi nyo kilala pagkat nagsisimula pa lang ako.